All right, so today I'm gonna show how to score and cut glass or break glass and for stained glass. Specifically, I'll be doing for beveled glass. And so we start with the design that we have here. The first thing you want to do is get a piece of glass and draw out the shape that you want first. For beveled glass, we're going to be using a 1/4 inch thick, which is a pretty thick glass compared to other types of glass that you use for stained glass. So you can see how thick, what the difference is on that. Reason being is because we're going to be grinding the glass down at an angle, so you definitely need to have upwards of right about a 1/4 inch thick. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm actually flipping over where I drew the design on one side. I'm going to flip over the glass to score it and break it. And the reason for that is because a lot of times when you break it, you're going to get these chips in the glass. And you want the side that you're grinding to have the chips, not the backside. So this way I can actually grind through that chip and everything will be just fine. The chipping does not occur on the top, it always seems to occur on the bottom. So that is why I flipped it over. So the first thing you want to do is you want to score the glass. So use your glass cutter. So it's called scoring. It's just putting a line into kind of cutting the top part of the glass. You can either use your hands or use this tool. This tool is easier for the thicker glass. So you squeeze, you can actually watch the crack go through the glass, and it breaks off just like that. So now I'm going to do the other. So here I'm going to use my fingers to help move the crack along and break it. Okay, so now we have our shape that we want, and later on I will show how to do the bevel process.